here over Texas. Get on Tormenta for the first time. I just found about it today. Like, what? Ain't nobody tell me nothing. So, let's go see how it is. Alright, just got off Tormenta. Y'all, 10 out of 10. It doesn't have any rattle at all. Like, it's super smooth. And I was on the very edge. I don't know, that might be the best right here. 10 out of 10. It's worth the wait. Been coming here for years. You would know this area right here was where the Conquistador used to be. And pretty much they just repurposed the water fountains, and then they just put massive giga coaster just right here. Nice use of space for sure. Y'all want a little update like outside the area? They got this, I'm assuming this is for the tram. I'm not sure, but I mean, what else would it be for? Then over here by the fence, they have the parking spots, handicap. I think this is also gonna be a preferred lot like it used to be, but by the looks of it, looks finished to me. Overall, Tormenta is a 10 out of 10. Again, like I said, there's no rattle at all. Well, okay, if you do the back, it does shake a bit, but otherwise, but it's fine. You don't, it doesn't hurt anything, but I would definitely recommend the front overall. It's just so smooth. Again, no rattle at all. So come check it out. So I was just gonna make this like a one-day vlog just for the previews yesterday, but I feel like there's more things I can go in depth with as far as Tormenta. So yeah, here now it's like 10 o'clock. They open at 11. They haven't let us do it, even scan our passes to go park yet, but I'm assuming they are doing the Passholder previews again today. I can't say for sure, but yeah, If so, I'm gonna try to get on it as much as I can while the crowds are what I'm expecting to be low. Since the fireworks aren't till later tonight, I'm assuming that's when everyone's gonna start coming in, especially when it starts cooling down. But I mean, it is what it is. I'll get back to y'all, I guess, when we're at the ride. All right, so I'm going again. I just did back seat, right side, all by myself, because some reason no one wants right in the back. Rattle is a little bit stronger, but again, it doesn't bother me. But I can see how it could bother someone else, but overall, not too bad. I forgot to mention also that the teacups open as well. It's for everyone, not just pass holders. So if you missed the teacups, come get you a ride. So I just got evacuated. I don't know if you can see the train. I was on that train right there. When I tell you I was baking, hot as hell. I'm gonna go right back in this line. All right, sorry you can barely see me, but just ended the day. 10 rides on Tormenta, that was my goal. I wanted more, but they kept taking off trains and stuff, so overall I'm satisfied. But anyways, I'm tired. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified when I upload more videos like this. And I will see you coaster lovers in the next one.